Are you looking for the best camping butane gas stoves in 2022? In this video we will look at some of the best camping butane gas stoves in 2022 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Itony 35FW Butane Stove. The Itony 35FW Butane Stove, one of the most powerful cooking appliances available, is the best. Its heat panel system produces a steady heat that cooks food quickly without sacrificing quality. Double windbreakers offer greater protection against wind gusts and allow you to cook food quickly. In addition, this butane stove retains flavors better than other stoves, making it the perfect option for discerning chefs. The stove also features an automatic safety switch that protects you against dangerous pressure increases in your fuel canister. It is the ideal stove for campers or outdoor enthusiasts who require a durable, lightweight stove that provides heat distribution quickly and evenly. Check Homrest Furniture Hot Sale and AMP coupons here. This stove is equipped with a heat panel system to ensure food cooks quickly and evenly. The piezo igniter makes it easy to start up. Its lightweight design makes it easy for you to take along on your next adventure. The safety features built in provide peace of mind. At number 2. Chef Master 90019 Portable Butane Stove. 15,000 BTU Single Burner Gas Stove, Camping and Backpacking Essentials. Piezoelectric Ignition. Double Wind Guard Burner. Hard carrying case. The Chef Master 15,000 BTU Portable Butane Camping Stove is essential for any camping trip or backpacking trip. This stove is portable thanks to its hardshell carrying case. The stove can be easily carried in a backpack or a bag for camping. This butane stove comes with many safety features. It also includes an inline regulator and pressure sensing shutoff. The regulator will cut off flow if the pressure rises too high to prevent flashbacks. The butane burner comes with a wind guard to protect it from the breeze or a /C. Each butane stove comes with a hardshell carrying case to make the unit even more portable. This stove is easy to bring on any hiking or camping trip. At number 3. Martin Outdoor Heavy Duty Portable Butane Stove CSA 8000 BTU. The Martin Outdoor Heavy Duty Portable Butane Stove makes a great addition to your next outdoor excursion. This tough, durable stove can withstand a lot of wear and tear, and it's small and compact enough to fit easily in your bag. It has a maximum BTU of 8,000, which makes it more fuel efficient than other stoves. The stove features a heat dial that allows you to control the temperature. There is also a built-in windshield and cartridge ejection system to keep things safe. The stove comes with a heavy-duty carrying bag for easy transport. It's small and compact, but with a powerful burner that can handle even the most demanding cooking tasks. Safety features include an automatic shutoff valve that stops gas flow if the flame goes out. And it's built tough to last, with a durable carrying case that will keep it safe on your travels. So if you're looking for a reliable and portable stove, the Martin Outdoor Heavy Duty Portable Butane Stove is definitely worth considering. At number 4. Gas 1 GS 8300 Camp Stove. The Gas 1 GS 8300 Camp Stove is compact and easy to use. It has an adjustable burner, electric ignition, and an automatic pressure detector which shuts off the stove if unusual pressure is detected, making it a safe choice for your next camping trip. This stove is made with portability in mind. It has a unique folding design that keeps it protected when not in use, and it's lightweight so you can easily transport it wherever you go. It can also be used with cast iron saucepans, pots, and kettles to cook a hearty meal outdoors. This Gas 1 Camp Stove is perfect for one person. It's small and compact, and has great safety features. It folds down to an extremely small size, making it easy for you to take on your camping trips. Just be aware that it's not the most fuel-efficient stove out there, so make sure to bring plenty of butane canisters with you. At number 5. Gas 1 GS 1000 7650 BTU Portable Butane Gas Stove. Are you looking for a reliable and safe portable butane stove? Look no further than Gas 1 GS 1000. This stove is a top-selling model that features an automatic shutoff and a locking mechanism to keep it secure. Plus, it's compatible with most butane canisters out there. So whether you're camping, cooking on a road trip, or in an emergency situation, the GS1000 is perfect for you. The stove is simple to use and has an electronic ignition system that allows you to light the burner quickly. It can produce up to 7,650 BTUs heat output, which is enough to cook a hearty meal. This sturdy little stove is lightweight and compact, making it easy for you to transport. The stove also has non-slip rubber legs and a hard plastic carrying bag for added convenience. The GS1000 can handle pots and saucepans of all sizes with its 4-pot arms, an enamel-coated steel drip pot. This little stove is capable of handling even the most difficult cooking tasks thanks to its 7,650 BTU high-power output. So don't go camping without your GS1000 portable butane gas stove. At number 6. Chefmaster 90235 Butane Countertop Range / Stove. The Chefmaster 90235 Butane Countertop Range / Stove is the ideal appliance for cooking on the go. This stove can be used to cook everything from sauces and steaks to simmering. The electric ignition makes it simple to get started. The wind guard keeps your food in check. This stove is compact and sleek so it can be stored away when not in use. This stove is fuel efficient, which means you won't burn through gas canisters too quickly. You can also rest assured that you are safe while you cook with its safety features. The only downside is that it doesn't come with standing legs, so you'll need to find something else to prop it up on. A Chefmaster butane stove is equipped with an inline regulator. When the pressure of the burner gets too high, flashbacks can occur. This is solved by designing the stoves with a pressure-sensing shut-off valve to cut off the pressure before flashbacks and injuries occur. The Chefmaster portable camping stove is super easy to clean. Simply remove the plate from the top of the burner and then you can clean it. Leaving bits of old food and other gunk in your burner can be very dangerous, so it is advised to clean the stove after every use. At number 7. Coleman Portable Butane Stove / Carrying Case. The Coleman Portable Butane Stove will be a great companion for any outdoor enthusiast. This sturdy stove is made with durable steel grates, making it easy to clean after a long camping trip. It can produce up to 7,650 BTUs heat and can run for as long as 1.25 hours on one 8.8 ounces butane cylinder. So whether you're cooking a hearty meal or want a hot cup of coffee, this stove has you covered. The Coleman Portable Butane Stove makes it easy for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers to prepare their own meals on the move. The stove is lightweight at 4.68 pounds and comes equipped with a carrying case. This stove has adjustable heat and 7,650 total BTUs. It can hold a 10-inch pan. Some reviewers noted that the stove's parts are not well fitted and that it is poorly made. At number 8. Camplux Dual Fuel Camping Stove, Portable Butane Stove 7,200 BTU. Camplux Dual Fuel Camping Stoves make the perfect camping accessory. The stove's dual fuel design allows it to run on propane and butane. This makes it versatile and easy. You can create any camp cooking experience that you want, including coffee or tea and bacon and eggs. With this stove, you'll be able to have breakfast waiting for you when you wake up in the morning, and lunch ready by the time you're hungry. It features a piezoelectric ignition system and auto shut-off mechanisms for safety. This stove is a great choice for anyone who enjoys being outdoors without worrying about cooking. This stove is compatible with many types or cookway and has a 7,200 BTU /HR heat output. The stove comes with CSA-approved safety and gas leakage protection devices. At number 9. Gas One Emergency Gear Camping Mini Butane Portable Gas Stove. Are you looking for a great stove to bring along on hiking or camping trips? The Gas One Emergency Gear Butane Portable Gas Stove is a great choice. This tiny beauty is lightweight and compact, making it easy for you to transport and fit into any space. It's also made from sturdy stainless steel, so you can rely on it to last through even the most strenuous of adventures. It comes with a handy carrying bag for easy storage and transportation. Its tiny size makes it easy to store and transport, while its high output of 7,650 BTU ensures that you'll have all the power you need to cook your favorite meals. Plus, with a piezoelectric starter, this stove is easy to ignite even in windy conditions. And thanks to its steel body, it's easy to clean after every use.